plus 2 into 2 upon 3 the whole cube plus 3, then everything is plus. So will this answer ever be 0? It will be point something or whatever number it may be. It can never be 0. That's why the answer is false. Next statement, if minus 1 upon 2 the whole raised to 4 into minus 2 the whole raised to 8 equals to minus 2 the whole raised to 4x, then x equals to 1. Here, minus raised to any number which is even is plus. So if you remove this minus from all, then also it's okay. But if you keep it for 1, keep it for all. Here, keep this logic clear. If you want to keep the minus, then keep it for all. If you want to remove the minus, remove it for all. Okay. So left hand side equals to what? Minus 1 upon 2 the whole raised to 4 into minus 2 raised to 8. Solve this. Minus 1 upon 2 the whole raised to 4 into, this is 8 means what? 4 plus 4, right? So separate this. How do you separate this? Minus 1 upon 2 the whole raised to 4 into minus 2 the whole raised to 4 into minus 2 the whole raised to 4. Why? Bases same. Here, what is the law of index? This is the law of index. X raised to n into x raised to m equals to x raised to n plus m. We are doing it the reverse way. We have this term now and we are separating it into two separate terms. N plus m, we are separating it. Why have we done this in only 4 and not 5 and 3 or 6 and 2? Because here we have 4 minus 1 upon 2 raised to 4. So we can take this common. So minus 1 upon 2 into minus 2, right? The whole raised to 4 into this minus 2 raised to 4 as it is. Now this minus minus gets cancelled. 2 1 the 2. This becomes 1 raised to 4 into minus 2 raised to 4, right? So minus 2 raised to 4, 1 raised to 4 is 1. Minus 2 raised to 4, keep it as it is. Don't solve this because you want to equate this with the right RHS. So minus 2 raised to 4 equals to minus 2 raised to 4x. Bases same, compare the indices. 4 equals to 4x, right? Solve this, x equals to 1. So the given statement is true, right? Download Yuaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IEO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Baba plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.